Here is how to create a sales order in Zoho Books, step by step. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure the sales orders feature is available before you begin creating anything. If sales orders are not enabled in your account, open Settings, then go to Preferences and select General. In that section, find the option for sales orders, enable it, and click Save. This makes the sales order section available in the main navigation, so you can continue with the setup. Next, move to the left-hand menu and click Sales. Then choose Sales Orders. This opens the area where all existing sales orders are listed and where new ones can be created. To start a new record, click the plus New button. You will now be on the sales order form. Begin by selecting the customer name. Make sure you choose the correct customer record, since the sales order will be linked to that account and used for the rest of the transaction details. After that, enter the main order information. Fill in the sales order number, then add a reference number if you want to include one. Enter the sales order date, the expected shipment date, and the payment terms. These fields help define the order timeline and how the customer is expected to pay. If needed, you can also select a delivery method and assign a salesperson. These fields are optional, so you only need to use them if they apply to the order you are creating. In the item table, add the products or services included in the order. For each line item, enter the quantity and rate, then apply a discount or tax if those are needed. As you fill in the rows, Zoho Books will calculate the line amounts and update the order totals based on the information you enter. Once the item details are in place, review the subtotal. If the order includes shipping costs, add shipping charges. If you need to fine-tune the final amount, enter an adjustment where necessary. This is the point where you should check the totals carefully before saving or sending the order. You can also add extra information below the pricing section. If relevant, include customer notes, add terms and conditions, and upload any supporting files that should stay attached to the order record. These additions are optional, but they can provide useful context for the customer or for your internal records. When everything looks correct, choose how you want to finish. Click Save as Draft if you want to keep the sales order for later review or future edits. If the order is ready to go out now, click Save and Send to create it and send it to the customer. Your sales order is now created in Zoho Books and saved or sent based on the option you selected.